pinadalhan tayo ni DDPi ng kanilang DDPi Dual Dash Camera, and this is, I think, the best dash camera that you can buy today. So, kung gusto niyo malaman ba't ito yung the best dash camera, watch this video. Simulan natin sa kanyang box. No? As you can see, napaka-solid ng box niya. Once you get this dash camera, mga motorista, siguradong high quality yung makukuha mong product. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Rear camera na box. Buksan natin. Ito yung rear camera natin, and ikakabit natin yung rear camera natin sa rear windshield ng sasakyan. Meron tayong napakahabang cable para i-run yung cable galing sa likod ng sasakyan papunta sa harap. Meron tayong instruction manual. Meron tayong mga extra 3M adhesive here or sticker. Next naman natin is yung main camera itself. Ito yung box niya. So as you can see, mga motorista, this is the main camera itself. So let me show you the things that you can see here. So meron tayong mga grills here, no, for heat dissipation, and meron tayong isang speaker also. I think this is for the speaker grill. Removable din yung ating mounting point ng ating camera. 3M yung kanilang sticker here, which is really good, no, napaka-strong niyan. So kailangan mo lang talaga i-make sure na permanent na talaga or halos permanent na talaga yung pagkakabit mo nito. So kung magdadalawang isip ka, meron namang extra na sticker here. So pwede mo i-change yung pwesto niya. But again, you only get 2. Another thing that you can see sa ating unit is meron tayong Type-C port and also yung jack natin, no, yung parang aux jack niya. So yung aux jack na yan is yan yung cable galing sa ating rear camera, dito mo siya ipa-plug. And you have your camera here sa harap natin. Ayan. So napaka-discreet ng body niya, no, napakaganda nito, mga motorista, because once you set it in the windshield, no, parang flush talaga siya sa windshield mo. Hindi siya nag-protrude unlike yung mga previous design na merong suction cup. And sa likuran, you have your tiny screen here, no, just to check your references and your files, no, if you want to check that out. Meron tayong 4 buttons here dito sa ating main unit ng ating dash camera. Yung micro SD card natin is on the side. Now, other accessories that you see sa main box natin is your cable, no, para papunta yan sa ating 12V accessory outlet ng ating sasakyan. Ayan siya, USB sa dulo. And then, ito yung cable papunta sa camera, and meron tayong installation. Kasi, hindi mo maiwasan talaga na meron kang trim na i-remove, mga motorista, no, para discreet or para hidden yung mga cables na to. Kasi, sagabal din to pag hindi maayos yung pagka-install ng ating dash camera. So let's start with the best features sa ating DDPi Z40. Simulan natin dito sa kanyang resolution at 2592 by 1944 pixels. That's equivalent to 3K yung ating image. And that is backed up by the Sony IMX335. And yung Sony IMX335 ensures we have good quality image dun sa ating main sensor, which is this camera. And of course, since it is a dash camera, expect natin yan na makikita natin yung mga plate number ng other cars, and it has good low light performance. Another feature sa ating Z40 is meron siyang dual camera mode. Itong dual camera mode is basically you have 2 images, no, that is recording at the same time. So meron tayong dalawang cameras, front and back, no, to ensure we have coverage sa harap at likod ng sasakyan. So kung mabangga ka man or may nakabangga sa iyo and the scene is right in front of you, you can be sure na kuha yan sa camera sa harap. And kung nasa likod naman yung nangyari or nabangga ka sa likod, makikita din yan sa ating DD-PI dash camera. So, covered ka talaga, no? And yung ating field of view sa ating front camera is very wide at 140 degrees. Dito naman sa likuran na part is slightly narrower at 125 degrees. That's okay kasi andun siya nakalagay sa ating rear window. So, you don't need that wide, mga motorista, no? Kasi wala naman tayong hood na tinitake into account. So, hindi natin maiiwasan na minsan yung ating mga memory cards is nako-corrupt. And because of this dual storage, mga motorista, you don't need to be worried, no, in case mag-malfunction yung ating memory card or yung ating micro SD card, because you have that dual storage option built in the camera. So kung may hinahanap kang footage at hindi mo mahanap, makakasigurado ka na meron tayong backup dito sa camera mismo sa ating storage, di ba? So napakaganda yan, no? Especially if you're trying to get some footage if you want to show it to the authorities. Now, other thing that I really like sa ating DD-PI is meron siyang built-in GPS and also Wi-Fi. So you can connect the DD-PI to your phone. And also, meron din siyang capability of giving us, no, telemetry, no, from the GPS data. So pwede kang maglagay ng mga HUD or heads up, no, display, no, sa iyong image. Kita din natin yung GPS speed ng ating sasakyan. That's really good feature as well. Meron siyang G sensors. So again, common na yan sa mga dash camera, but again, it is very much reliable na dito sa ating Z40. Or once ma-detect ng G sensor na merong movement sa sasakyan and merong nabangga or merong nakabangga sa iyo, definitely sigurado kang makikita mo yung footage na yan. And aside from that, meron itong 24-hour, no, na battery life si DD-PI Z40 because of its battery type. So yung gamit niyang battery type, mga motorista, is a super capacitor instead of a lithium-ion battery. So that helps, no? So meron kang 3 to 5 seconds na footage talaga once that scene happens pag merong ma-detect yung G-sensor natin. So sigurado kang meron talaga siyang footage kahit you're sleeping inside your house. Yung Z40 natin na dashcam is priced at 4,946 pesos sa Lazada ngayon. So ayan yung price niya, mga motorista, no? Check it out on Lazada. Meron silang DD-PI official store and I think they also have one sa Shopee. So this October 10, mga motorista, meron silang 10-10 sale. So posible na maging lower pa yung pricing natin dito sa ating Z40. So if you ask me, go get it now, mga motorista. No brainer talaga. You need a dashcam. Every car needs to have a dashcam. So, would I recommend the DD-PI Z40? Of course, definitely, mga motorista, especially sa panahon ngayon na napakadaming aksidente na nangyayari around us now. So, it is nice to have that extra peace of mind na alam mong may nagre-record, no, kung anong nangyari. Especially ngayon na maraming nagro-road rage sa daan, di ba? So, that's really good. Though it's not as high resolution as our phones because expected yan, mga motorista, but for the price, no, and also for what you get sa box, definitely worth it siya. And if you ask me, should you buy? Yes, you should, mga motorista, if you're looking at a dashcam. DD-PI Z40, number 1 yan. They have an online store and there is also warranty, mga motorista, sa kanilang mga products. So, maraming salamat nga pala sa DD-PI for sending the dashcam for review. So, ayan, mga motorista, what do you think sa ating video today? Let me know down sa ating comments. And if you are looking for the DD-PI dash camera, meron akong links down below if you want to purchase using the link. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next episode.